Hi, this is Karen with WTI. And these are the OTOSTAR pillow inserts 18 by 18 square. They are perfect when you're doing your own pillow covers. I do like variety, and sometimes I just can't find the right colors that I want, so that's why I love to make my own pillow covers. These ones are so versatile. You can put it on your sofa, you can put them on your bedroom. It's really up to you. And the best part is that you don't need 20 pillows. You just need pillowcases and you can change them every season. They're also very comfortable to use. They don't lose their shape. But in case you just want a little more fluffiness, you just put them on the air dryer for a few minutes and they go back to fluffy again. And that's my point of view.